only God knows that. Well, it's so hard to start all over, and I am working for what? Where will I go? Where will I be? Where am I at? How do I plan for my future when my future is now? I guess only God knows that. So what is mercy? What is justice? What is truth? Well, here's the fact. Only God knows that. Subtract the years you watched your children grow, the years you studied what you know now, trying not to think about the past. How do I plan for our future when our future is now? I guess only God knows that. So what is mercy? What is justice? What is truth? Well, here's the fact. Only God knows that. When I fall on my knees, do I pray for some peace? Well, only God knows. Only God knows. Only God knows. What is the value of an hour? And can you put it in a bank? Compound any interest on that. Money for the sunrise, or dollars for a day. I guess only God knows that. And as for mercy, as for justice,